Hello and welcome again to another tutorial, Yoga with Molly. I'm Molly, and it's such an honor to be able to share my practice with you. So today's tutorial, 15 minutes, is going to be about Savasana. Savasana is a posture that we use in our yoga practice that shows you, or that you do at the end of the practice, that gives you that experience of total, complete relaxation. So Shavasana, Sanskrit, loosely translates to corpse posture. So like a corpse, we lie flat down on the back. And if you have any lower back pain, you can always put a pillow underneath the legs. But we try to be as close to the floor as we can, as we are comfortable. If you're pregnant, you can prop yourself up on pillows so you're not completely flat on your back. So we're going to go straight into it. And I'll try to keep an eye on the time this time, so that we don't go over too long. But when you're doing it on your own, you can always set a timer, and enjoy. So find your way onto your back. So you can lie down either on the bed or on the floor or on your yoga mat. Maybe dusting it off. If you've had it for quite a while, haven't used it, or brand new, take it out of the packaging. And then I'd like you to take the hands away from the body, palms facing up. Relaxing through the shoulders, so maybe move a little bit. And then take the feet slightly wider, heels press into the floor, and then let the feet fall out to the side as you exhale. Relax the legs completely. Now we're going to take a breath in and we're going to make fists with the hand, fists with the feet, squish the face, tighten all the muscles in the face and the body. Then exhale and let go. Ha! So tensing and releasing 2 more times. Breathe in, fists, legs tighten, arms tighten, belly, face, and then let go. Ha! Making a sound as you exhale. 1 more time. Squeeze as much as you can. Almost feels like you're lifting off the floor. Hold the breath and squeeze, squish the face, and then let go. Ha! And relax. Close the eyes. And then take your awareness to the feet. So I'll simply guide you through different parts of the body. And whenever you have your awareness there, gentle effort, you simply just allow all the muscles in that part of the body to relax. So relaxing the feet. The legs up to the knees. Keep the eyes closed. Keep the body as still as you can. Relax up the legs to the hips. Feel the belly. Relax all the muscles, the abdomen, the lower back, middle back, rib cage, and chest. So even if you feel slight coldness in the body, just be with it. And see if you can still relax the body. Still allow the breath to very gently, very easily flow in and out of the nostrils. Keep relaxing. The hands, the arms, elbows, and shoulders. Relax the neck and the face. Soften the eyes, so let the eyeball, very subtle sensation of drawing down and back towards the floor. Relax the whole body. And then we're going to stay here for 5 more full breaths. And taking 4 more breaths. Keep relaxing the body. 3 more breaths. 2. 1. And then you can slowly start to bring your awareness back. Listening to any sounds in your environment, in the room. Keep the eyes closed. Start to wiggle the fingers very slowly, very gently. And then wiggle the toes. Roll the head. And then you can take your arms out in a T shape. Bring the feet to the floor as wide as the mat. So 1 foot at a time. And then drop the knees to the one side. And then to the other side. So just gentle movements. 1 more time to the one side. And then to the other side. Back through the center. Drop your knees over to the left. Lie on your left side. So stacking shoulder over shoulder, hip over hip, roll onto the side of the head. Keep the eyes closed. Exhale fully. And then keeping your eyes closed, you use your right hand to push up. Lengthen and straighten that right leg. And then you can slowly sit up. Finding a seat. Sitting cross-legged. And then you can slowly rub the hands together. Bring them over the eyes. And then open your eyes into the hands. And then slowly bring the hands down the face into the heart. Good. So I hope you enjoyed that little video recording of the Savasana. Please add it to your day whenever you get a chance. It has the same effect as a power nap. So when I do my work, my admin work, and I feel a lot of stress coming on, I just give myself 10 minutes, lie flat on the floor. Usually there's a mat somewhere in the house rolled up. Set a timer and then just relax. Thank you for joining. Namaste.